what is going on, guys? Just wanted to do a new video for you. Is this the best tire carrier for the Jeep Wrangler JK? I don't know, you tell me. Let me give you my opinion, my 2 cents on what I think of the tire carrier that I have and the ones that I have run in the past. So let's go and dive in. Alright guys, so this is my Poison Spyder body mounted tire carrier. This is my third tire carrier actually. So let me give you a little background on what happened. So my first tire carrier was the Smittybilt that goes through the bumper into the frame. I have their Smittybilt bumper, so there is a little hole that is covered by a plate, and it has a pivot point on the bottom. Well, if you have the bracket, that you can attach your tire carrier to that point. In paper, it sounds pretty nice, it's good and sturdy supposedly, and I like the idea. I liked Smittybilt back in that point, so I went with it. I got the tire carrier, I installed it, and I was having problems that it was getting loose all the time, and every time I tightened it from the pivot point, it would just make the door really hard to open. One thing I like about it though is that it was a single motion opening. I don't have to open one and then open the tailgate. No, it was one single motion. The tailgate will open the tire carrier itself. So that is something that drew me into it. But then, okay, whatever, I sold it. I went back to stock. That was in 2017. We went to Jeeping with Judd 2017. I went into the obstacle course, and one obstacle caught the spare tire, bent it, so the tailgate itself got bent, and it broke the rear glass. I think I have a video, I'll put it right here. The window, bro. Dude, it's because your tire carrier tailgate broke off. Really? Yeah. So is it hanging or something? Yeah. That's why you're not supposed to run the stock carrier. So when that happened, I was like so mad and pissed. I had to buy a new tailgate. I had to buy a new window. That came around 800 bucks. At least I was able to find everything on eBay. Mopar. The tailgate was also painted to match, so I didn't have to worry about getting something then sending it to paint. So all good. Fits that. I was, running without no tire after I fixed it. Then I bought the Teraflex. I love the Teraflex. It was strong. I had the high lift mounted on the side. I'll put some pictures right now for you. The only thing that I didn't like, it was already at the maximum of 37-inch tires. Now, I was thinking in the future of, hey, I want to do 40s eventually and put axles, right? So at that point, I will have to change it again. So I saw the opportunity. Somebody bought it from me, and I used that money and put some more money to get this Poison Spyder one. Now, the Poison Spyder one, I love it. Besides the other ones, the other brands, I think Genride and DV8 has body mounted cages for your spare tire. This one goes up to 40-inch tires. I've seen people putting 42s. I don't know, I think I'll put 42s, but 40s, all right? So that's where we at right now. The only downfall with this one, I'll show you right now, is this little latch. All right, so if you see right there the little latch, it's a little bent already. They need to use something stronger than that. The latch, this is perfect. It's just that bracket. You see how it's curved? This bracket goes in there like this, and then you turn it and it's locked, right? You also have a little lock right here, so nobody will steal your tire itself. So that is what I like about this. And it also has these two little pins on the bottom and on the top, bottom, top. So since this bent, sometimes it rattles or it will get loose. So I will have to move this little bracket farther up. When I do that, it's tight again, but if I do something where the tire is, you know, a lot of movement, it may bend it up a little bit more, therefore getting the bracket itself loose. So that is my only complaint with this. Now, I like that it's sturdy. It is very nice. We were able to put my license plate on the back, and we ran the cables through here, going through the inside, very well clean and everything. Show you, they come through here and the inside, they go to this, and boom, everything. Oh, remember, I don't have carpets, I don't have any plastic side panels, so something to think for. Now let's go and talk about accessories. I like this one because I was able to get my license plate over there in the middle. I have this little, I think I bought this from Norwich 4x4. It has the LED lights and it has the brake, third brake lights. Also, Tony Tasillo. If you're in the Tampa area, Sarasota, Brandon, Clearwater, go reach out to Tony Tasillo. He did this for me. He did my my head unit for the Pioneer head unit, and he does anything audio, rock lights. He is a master. He's very OCD, so he's gonna make sure to do a clean job, clean install. So go ahead, check him out. We're gonna be working with him soon on Monday. Today is Saturday. Monday we're gonna be working on a little subwoofer. We were talking about Jeep Beach, so I bought that used, 80 bucks on Facebook Marketplace. It's just right there sitting. It hasn't been installed. So on Monday we're gonna be working on installing that. So that will be another video. I'll give you another history on that. But meanwhile, tire carrier, tailgate, I want to ask you guys, can you give me on the comments below any links to any company that makes deletes or tramp stamps, whatever you want to call it? I want to clean this up. I want to get rid also of this. I know that there's some plugs that replace this little rubber thing and this plug right here, and there's another one on the other side. If you know the brand, comment below, give me the link if possible. I want to change those. But yeah, my 2 cents on this tire carrier, I love it. That bracket, I know that people have changed it to something else with a sturdier metal, something stronger. So I'll probably do that. I'm gonna reach out to Poison Spyder and see if they have designed something else that is a little bit stronger. If not, just to get a replacement, because yeah, that got bent once I was going through whoops and it was just too much for it and it bent, so it got loosened. But pretty much I love it. This pivot points are really strong. You adjust here where you wanna the tire carrier to lift a little bit more to line up here and go inside these pins. Right now I'm in a little incline, so it doesn't match, but once I'm on flat level, it goes straight to it. But yeah, guys, please give me your thoughts. What is your best tire carrier? What do you think is the best one? Remember, we have different types of Jeeps. People build them for overland, people build them for rock crawling. Some people don't run any spare tire. I like my spare tire with me. People that don't run the spare tire, they just claim that, you know, or they have a AAA or something like that. For me, it's I need to have my spare tire. I don't know when I'm gonna need it, and I don't want to wait 30 to 45 minutes for somebody to come help me out. Or if I'm in the woods and a friend of mine has a 35 and I'm on 37s, you know what, I need to have my spare tire. Guys, if you like the video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Again, oh, this is the other shirt. We got the red shirt. This is the other hat with the tan patch. That is my logo. So if you're interested on those, also comment on Instagram, copperhead_JK, or comment below. We'll talk and see if I can send it to you. Let me know. I appreciate it, guys. See you till the next one.